To work into the back bump of a foundation chain, instead of working through the front of the stitch like that, there's the front, you're going to turn the chain over and you're going to see a bump on the back. Insert your hook into that bump and complete the stitch. So into the bump and complete the stitch. Into the bump, complete the stitch. So there's the front. Instead of working in here, you turn it over, work into the back bump. And that's what it will look like from the bottom. It's going to look exactly the same as it looks from the top. Here I have a sample where I have worked in the front of the loop, and along the bottom you'll just have this thin line. And when you compare it to working in the back bump, you can see the full stitch. So compared to this thin line along the bottom, you'll have a thicker line along the bottom. So this would work great for the hems of sweaters or maybe the ends of sleeves. And it would also work great if you were making something like a blanket or a placemat or a washcloth. Your bottom row will be exactly the same as your top row. And that's how you work in the bump of the foundation chain. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.